YouTube is monetizing small YouTubers in 30 days. For you to get monetized, you must have 4,000 watch hour and your 1,000 subscriber. Build a community that you can interact with, community that will understand you, community that anytime they see your channel, they are going to watch your video, community that will not, sleep. What are the things that will make you to monetize fast, or what are the things that will enable you to get to your threshold where you will be able to see that congratulations message? You're welcome back again to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about how to monetize within 30 days on this YouTube. This is a journey I have, you know, I've been, and I've met up my own threshold, and my channel um, is in partner with YouTube. So if this video is what you want to hear, stay tuned. Don't click out, because if you click out, you will not be able to learn and know how to do that very, very fast. When we are talking about channel monetization within 30 days, or we are talking about YouTube partner, in your mind, what will come to your mind is, how will I even be a partner? Or when people are saying, congratulations to me, I am monetized. In your mind, you will be like, how long, when, and how will I get to this monetization that everybody is shouting, I am monetized, I am monetized? The only thing you need is being yourself, being patient. You need patience, and you need to be yourself. You don't need to hurry. That is the only thing you need. And secondly, you need to work hard. Work hard. I mean, work hard. Take your channel serious. Do it as if your life depends on it. Do it you know, as if you want to carry it on your head. If you want to monetize fast within 30 days, you have to carry your YouTube channel on your head. Whatever that concern, you need to sleep and wake up with anything that concerns your channel and be consistent. With that being said, know the requirements, know all the whole documents, know everything that you need in the journey. It's not just come and drop your video, but know the things that is being required for the monetization. You start to prepare them ahead. When you know step by step on how to do that, when you get to that point, it will not be hard for you to do. In as much as you are trying so hard to be consistent, to be patient, use that opportunity to know the whole requirements, everything that needed for you to monetize within that 30 days. Tell yourself, what did I need to do? What am I supposed to do to monetize in 30 days? Number one thing that I did when I want to monetize, when I create my YouTube, is for me to post video consistently. I post literally every day. That is how serious I take my channel. If I didn't post every day, at least I post literally every two days. I keep it. In fact, I have my board where I make my list on how I'm supposed to be posting my video on YouTube. Create a calendar. Have a calendar on how you want on how you want to be posting your video. If you want to be posting your video morning and night, or you want to be posting once in a day, make sure that you have the calendar. Make a roster where, okay, I want to be posting on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. I want to be posting Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Monday. Like, or you want to be posting Monday, Tuesday till Sunday. Or you will want to be posting 3 times in a week. But for you to be monetized in 30 days, posting 3 times in a week is not going to work. You have to work very, very hard so that YouTube can monetize your channel in 30 days. Build a community. When I mean build a community that you can interact with, community that will understand you, community that anytime they see your channel, they are going to watch your video, community that will not, sleep, community that will always support you, community that will always share your video, like your video, comment on video, chat with you when you are live, and a lot more. Those are the type of community you need. So make sure you build an interactive community that's trusted and like what you do. And when you are building your community, make sure that there is room for communication, for chat, reply their message, attend to their comments, even in your live stream. This brings me to the next one, which is creating a valuable and content that delivers, or content that give value to people. When I mean content that give value, I mean content that is interactive, content that is informative, content that can revive someone, content that somebody can learn something from. Make use of other social media platform to build your brand. Collaborate with your fellow YouTubers. People from her own channel will come and watch. Then people from your own channel will come and watch, and you will have different, people visiting your brand or visiting your channel. From there, you can get views, and you can get likes, you can get share, you can get subscribers, and you can also build a community through that. Also, utilize the opportunity of other marketing strategy, any other marketing strategy that you know that you can use to bring traffic to your channel. Also make use of it to bring traffic to your channel. Uh, you make use of other marketing strategy to drive traffic to your channel. It's going to help you a lot. At the end, you will see how far that you have gone. Creating an action plan for 30 days is going to be the most important thing that you need. Break down your goals, whatever that you want to do, share it into pieces. Okay, like I said before, okay, now I'm going to post video today, and in the afternoon I'm going to make a post, and in the evening I'm going to go live 7 to 9, I'm going live 8 to 10, 2 hours on live. Then a post can make 2 posts, and maybe 3, 4, 5 posts and 2 videos. Just create action plan. The action plan will quicken you. It's going to be telling you, oh, this is what you said you want to do in the next 2 hours. And also track your progress. When you track your progress, it's going to help you to know if you are really doing well. It's also going to help you to know if you are in the right track. How do you track your progress? You track your progress by using your YouTube analytics, check your metrics, check your view, check your watch time, check um how each and every videos are doing. Are they giving you the view that you like? Is this video giving you the view that you like? Is this video really meeting up to your standard? Staying motivated is the key. Always watch videos that encourages you. So finally, you just need to be patient and stay inspired, and watch your channel do the magic for you. If you get value in this video, please make sure my share button. Please share this video. like and subscribe. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.